Shenzhen Li Changlong Technology Company Limited, a national high-tech enterprise founded in 2009, specializes in manufacturing and servicing USB, DC power, HDTV, LAN, and OBD cables. As a Shenzhen-based company, it's convenient to access transportation. You will find some advanced production equipment and test equipment in our factory, including automatic strapping machine, forming machine, 2468 automatic all-in-one machine, automatic soldering machine, HDTV automatic soldering machine, laser mylar remover, wire tester, salt spray tester, and 1080p tester. As well as selling well in China, we export our products to countries and regions such as Germany, Israel, Spain, UK, France, US, Italy, Greece, Netherlands, Norway, Canada, Thailand, Taiwan, China, Malaysia, Korea, and Singapore. In addition, we welcome ODM and OEM orders, complete in-house capabilities to solve your connectivity challenges. The quality and construction of the cable, the cabling process, and the cable length are key factors that directly impact the performance of the interconnect solution. The interface between the cabled connector and the device's transmitter and receiver is fundamental to guarantee that the system meets your industry standards and operational requirements. Streamline your supply chain with our engineers and technical support teams for cable assembly design assistance, technical cable assembly, drawings, 100% electrical and safety testing. Our worldwide network ensures short production lead times and rapid delivery to meet your project deadline.